good bait here. No crab, no fish. How come we got nothing today, Star?
I don't know.
Hopefully we get something. Maybe just one fish or one crab. Be happy. Mom's playing games. Crab pots. All this rope crab pots. Look at this. Everywhere. Start with a snack. Oh, you okay? See ya. What a beautiful day. Hmm? Got something? It's heavy? Seaweed. It's heavy. Star looks happy. He looks happy. He's smiling. It's seaweed.
I like to eat seaweed.
You like what?
I like to eat seaweed.
Okay, now eat that.
I like to eat roasted seaweed.
Oh man.
But it's so heavy it makes the string go down.
Yeah, bring it here. Good job. Okay, Angel, cast it out. Go. Nice one. I just checked the fishing line. Nothing's biting. May like alay. Man, nothing. I checked the crab pot. Nothing. Nothing biting. You pay for the license and nothing. It's a scam, man. I think this is a scam. Star gonna check his crab. Anything?
No.
I see nothing. Zero. Drop it down. Anything? It's a scam. Drop it. Drop. Ah, man. Okay, Star gonna get something. Got something, Star? Make Papa excited? Yeah, something. Yes. 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 Yes for nothing. Okay, go. And it go nowhere. Job. Nothing. I had a fair day again. I'm going home now. Empty, nothing. Hopefully next day will get better. ไม่ได้อะไรเลยวะนี่จบ the end